Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116622. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2011 or later. The characteristics of this watch include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is blue with luminous hands and hour markers. This watch contains a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and a waterproof screw-down crown, as well as an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number. The case is 40mm stainless steel with a platinum bi-directional rotatable time-lapse bezel. This watch has an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement, and this Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, papers, and booklets. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 116622 in Google. Thank you.